What is PYROs? Y'all can't see that. Just kidding. I'm about to do a demo on these American Honor. Honors. American Honor. Yeah, boy. 4-1 in the case. Let's go, baby. So this is a pretty big case. And it's super heavy. So yeah. See the size? Pretty big. See the muscles? Eee. American Honor, baby. Let's unbox it. Alright. Fresh case. Never been open. Let's go, boy. Yes, sir. Oh, man. Oh. Let's get it, boys. Let's get it. Sick wrap. Damn, that's badass. Let me take one out. This thing is huge, man. Huge. Let me see if I can take it out real quick. Damn. Alright, so here it is. American Honor, 500 grams. Yeah, right, boy. Shoots flaming balls and reports. This thing has a salute finale. This shit's badass. Here's the performance. 5 shots of each. Red dahlia with white glitter. Green dahlia with white glitter. Purple dahlia with white glitter. White glitter with yellow pearls. Blue dahlia with white glitter. Red comets. Crackle. And some fucking salutes, my dudes. They didn't add that shit. This is a big old cake. You get 4 of these in the case. That's a fucking steal, my dudes. So, let's go demo this bad boy. America. Sick. Alright, I'm gonna cut it so y'all can see how it looks inside. Got 3 for 5, 5, 10, 15, 20, 30, and then these little shots right here. So yeah, that's the setup. Let's go, boy. 37 shots. 37 shots.
About to go down.
Alright, what is up, Pyros? We got American Honor, 37 shots. Let's hit it, baby.
Bruh.
That thing was loud as fuck. Y'all heard it too, right?
Damn, what is that, bro?
Shit. Here it goes. Nice. Big ol' brakes. Loud. Hear the echoes? Oh my god. It's beautiful. No fucking way. Bro,